good afternoon, Platoon 3. This is your teacher, Tony, and we have a new lesson and new topic for today. Let's go! Okay, for our lesson for the telling time, okay, we're going to know how to read AM and PM. Okay, let's go on. Okay, remember, 12 midnight, it's AM already. AM time. 3 AM. 6 a.m. A.m. means morning, 9 a.m. or 9 in the morning, okay? 12 a.m., 12 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 3 a.m., 6 in the morning, 6 a.m., 9 in the morning, 9 a.m., 12 noon, 12 p.m., 3 in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 p.m., 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 p.m., 9 o'clock in the evening, 9 p.m. and then 12 midnight, go back around. Okay, so that's how we know the time, or using the AM and PM. Okay, telling time. Okay, AM and PM. Okay, so Ella's alarm clock woke her at 7 p.m. this morning. Okay, let's answer that later. Telling time, AM and PM. Okay, Ella's alarm clock woke her at 7 o'clock this morning. How do we show that it is 7 in the morning or not 7 at night? Okay, we will answer that later. Okay, there are 24 hours in one day. Okay, those 24 hours are divided into two parts. Each part is 12 hours long. Okay, there are 24 hours in one day. Those 24 hours are divided into two parts. Each part is 12 hours long. Okay, the first part are called, this part are called AM and PM. The first part of the day goes from midnight to noon. So I show you already, it is the morning. Okay, and we call the time between midnight and noon AM. Okay, we call the first between midnight and noon AM. AM comes from the Latin phrase that means before noon. Okay, the second part of the day goes from noon to midnight. It is the afternoon and evening. And we call the time between noon and midnight, it's called PM. PM comes from the Latin phrase that means after midnight. Okay, so it's both light and dark during the AM, or in the evening, it's both light and dark also during the PM. Okay, so now let's answer this. Ella's alarm woke her at 7 o'clock this morning. So meaning morning. So did Ella alarm clock wake her at 7 a.m. or p.m.? Meaning morning, it is a.m. 7 a.m. Okay, story time. So this is story of Floyd for a day. What is the time Floyd wake up? What is the time Floyd wake up? 7:30 a.m. Okay. What is the time Floyd eat her breakfast? What is the time Floyd eat her breakfast? 8:45 a.m. Very good. Next, what is the time Floyd meet her friend? What is the time Floyd meet her friend? It's 11:15 a.m. What is the time Floyd play with her friend? What is the time Floyd play with her friend? 2:30 p.m. Okay. What is the time Floyd eat her dinner? What is the time Floyd eat her dinner? 6:50 p.m. Very good. What is the time Floyd watch television? What is the time Floyd watch television? Okay. The time 8:20 a.m. or p.m. 8:20 p.m. Very good. What is the time Floyd sleep? What is the time Floy asleep? 11:05 p.m. Very good. Let us answer. Okay. Lucy's mother read her a bedtime story at 8:30. Was Lucy bedtime story at 8 a.m. or 8 p.m.? What's your answer? If your answer is 8:30 a.m., you are 8:30 p.m., you are correct. 8:30 p.m. Next, Sam washed his hands before eating supper at 6 o'clock. Did Sam wash his hands at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m.? If your answer is 6 p.m., you are correct. So this is your worksheet. Okay, so you just circle the a.m. or p.m. Number 1, Alan went out to see stars. Okay, so what time in the sky you could see a star? It is a.m., meaning a.m. in the morning you could see a star, or p.m. or in the evening. Okay, so if it is p.m., just circle the p.m. Okay, number 2, when do you eat dinner? Okay, a.m. or p.m. So I think that's your lesson for today. This is Teacher Tony saying goodbye. Be a good boy and be a good girl to your mom and dad. Bye-bye.